This is a Blue Baron 47XL truck mount with a Prochem console water tank. And these Prochem console water tanks do already include the transfer pump and the float valve mechanism. They do not include this little adapter, so we did have to make that. They do include some basic wiring material and a hose that comes off the pump that comes up into here. Now, by default, it's going to come with a 3/8 male, and so depending on what's on your truck mount, you might have to change it. We did have to do that on this unit. Also, I wanted to show you that even down here, these tanks use about every square inch possible in the truck, so it goes underneath the seat and actually is going between the seats. And the advantage to this tank is not only the space savings, because back here normally you'd have a fresh water tank, and that's leaving all that real estate available for the customer to use some other way. So definitely an option that you might want to consider. Thank you.